Let's draw a beautiful moon painting today, as we have seen in my thumbnail. I bought a mic, but it was like I mistakenly bought the type C one, and now I have to record it raw with my phone recorder. And yep, it's such a hassle. To be real, I don't even want to do voiceover, but yep, here we go. So for the tutorial, just spray your sketchbook with water, a little bit of water, and then paint it black. And just like this, I'm now making clouds, painting clouds. Use a lot of white in your brush, and then just tap in the sketchbook like random shapes. Then just use the other brush to shade it. Since it's a night view, I only have to use black and white for the painting. And while painting, I will recommend you guys not to use too much water in your acrylic paint, like it will make it messy. And the main mistake I've done in this painting is that I use white to shade this area, like right now I'm shading. I shouldn't have done that. Well, I have already done it. So now, yep, I have already painted the moon. I mixed the white and black, and now it's kind of mud color. And then just painting the stars, that's it. And yep, outlining the clouds, night clouds. Whatever, they are just clouds. And I think that's it. A great tutorial video. Meet in my next video, guys. Thanks for watching.